YouTube, just out here doing some light maintenance on the Chevy. Replaced the thermostats and stuff. Replaced the thermostat sensor down there. I do got my coolant is now going to my radiator, and the coolant is now flowing through my radiator. So that's good. I ain't running hot no more. I done sprayed the engine down a little bit. I put some degreaser on my engine blocks and stuff and sprayed it down just to try to clean it up a little bit. So if you see just a little bit of smoke over there, that's just because I just cranked it up briefly. But I got some degreaser on my blocks right now. I got my console in. Give y'all a little preview, a little flavor. See, I'm a little chipped up on the side, but it's all good because it's gonna get rewrapped. But y'all let me know. Am I pretty much in the game? As far as the console go. Like I said, still looking for some material to wrap it up in. So it ain't gonna always look like that, but that's how I rock it for now. See my carpet dirty, boom. I'm gonna shampoo it myself, and also back here as well. So I'm getting to it slowly but surely. Got some carpet in here. Actually on my 98 Mercury Grand Marquis. It look alright. It's in there, you know what I'm saying? So when those speakers come, got some carpet to go in here, so that's a good thing. Y'all let me know how I'm sitting and everything, man. Let me know I'm on the game or not. I'm being watched.